Today I'm going to be sharing with you another tech tip, so let's start. Hi there, this is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So today's video is another tech tip. So today is #GetTechieWithConnie. Instagram is one of the popular social media these days because we are very visual people. In connection with Instagram, it's hard to post or schedule posts. Unlike Facebook and Twitter, which we can use a third-party app for scheduling directly posts in your social media accounts, finding a third-party app for Instagram to schedule your posts are harder than the other social media. Today, I'm gonna share with you that there are two possible ways to schedule your posts on Instagram. First type of scheduling app is those push notifications. It means that although you can schedule your posts prior, the app is only notifying you that it's time to post on Instagram. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it can be post on Instagram directly like Facebook, okay? Or like any other social media accounts. So that's the one type of scheduling app for Instagram. That's more of what we call push notifications. So the second type of scheduling your posts on Instagram is those that can post directly to Instagram like Facebook does. However, there are very limited apps for this. So one is Gram, another is Hopper HQ, and the other is only Bolt. So maybe I'll be sharing with you the links to them. I would prefer this type of apps, because you don't have to wake up in the middle of the night. For example, you're scheduling on a different time zone just to post a picture, perhaps. There are certain conditions why this is the situation, but since we still have an option to push directly, I would rather prefer the second type of scheduling app. If you want to learn more on how to build your virtual assistant business, just sign up to my VA Masterclass. Go to vamasterclass.conniezabala.com and I'll send you access via email, okay? If you think this video is helpful, just please go ahead, like, comment, or share. Thank you for watching.